Hello everyone, welcome back to class. Yesterday we have done introduction of chapter 1 integer, class 7. Today we are going to discuss example and then exercise. Let us see what is example number 1. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 3. Next, whose difference is minus 5. Next difference is 2 and sum is 0. In first part, we have to write down one pair of integer whose sum is minus 3. So we can write like minus 7 and 4. This is one pair, minus 7 and 4. If we will add minus 7 and 4, then we will get some minus 3. So there are like minus 10 and 7. Minus 10 and 7. This is one different pair from this one. So infinitely many such pair will exist whose sum is minus 3. In first part, we need to write down one pair of integer whose sum is minus 3. So you can choose minus 7 and 4. You can take minus 10 and 7 whose sum is minus 3. Next, whose difference is minus 5. Difference is minus 5. I will subtract these two integer and then I will get minus 5 answer. So what should be there? It is like 5 and minus 10. 5 and minus 10. This 5 and minus 10. So if you will take 5 and minus 10, then 5 minus minus plus, though then your answer is 15, not equals to minus 5. So what should we consider now? 5 and minus 10, so minus 10 and plus 10 or minus 5. Minus 10 or minus 5 you can take and subtract it. Minus 10 minus 5. So minus 10 minus plus, answer is minus 5. So what is our pair? Minus 10 and minus 5 you can choose. Minus 15 and you can choose minus 10. So there also so many pairs are whose difference is minus 5. So you can choose from your side any pair. This third part, difference is 2. Difference should be 2, like 5 and 3. If you will subtract 3 from 5, then you will get difference 2. 5 minus 3, answer is 2. Next is 7 minus 5, then answer is 2. So one more pair, 7 comma 5, 5 comma 3. Next 9 comma 7 you can choose. So many are there whose difference is 2. So from your side, you can choose any pair of integer whose difference is 2. Next is sum is 0. Sum is 0. Like minus 5 and 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Answer is 0. Minus 1 comma 1. Then its answer is again 0 if you will add these two integers. So there also so many pairs are there whose sum is 0. One you can take positive and one you can take negative. So example number 1 is completed. Only example 1 is given in exercise 1.1. What is first question of exercise 1.1? Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. We need to write down a pair of integers similar to example whose sum is minus 7. So minus 5, minus 2 I can write, minus 3, minus 4 I can write, minus 9 and plus 2 I can write. There also exist so many pairs whose sum is minus 7. Let us see. If I will add minus 5 and this minus 2. Minus 5 as it is plus minus 2, answer is minus 7. So minus 5 and minus 2 is suitable pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Next minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3 plus minus 4. minus 3 plus minus 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 3 and minus 4, answer is minus 7. Similarly, minus 9 plus 2, answer is minus 7. So many pairs are there whose sum is minus 7. Next, whose difference is minus 10. Difference should be minus 10. Minus 10 and 10. Minus 10 and you can say 20 because difference should be minus 10. Now, plus 10 or minus 20 you can consider, or you can consider plus 20. So 10 minus 20, answer is minus 10. So one pair is 10 and 20. One pair is 10 and 20. So 10 minus 20, answer is minus 10. So many pairs are there. Next pair, what will be next pair? It is minus 5 and minus 5 and 5. Difference of these two integer minus 5 and minus 5. Further minus 10. So next pair is minus 5 and minus 5. One pair is 10 and 20, whose difference is 10. Sum is 0. Sum is 0. So you can consider one positive, one negative and one positive integer, minus 5 and plus 5. Answer will be 0. Next is minus 10 and plus 10. If you will add minus 10 and plus 10, then your answer is 0. Minus 10 and plus 10. In this case also you will get your answer 0. So many more pair exist whose sum is 0.